Rules and regulations. First sport I'll be talking about is netball. Netball is a non-contact, fast and skillful game in which you use your hands to pass and catch to keep possession of a round ball within your team. You then go on to shoot in the net to score a goal and gain 1 point. The net is tall and you cannot move when in possession of the ball. Also, there are 7 players in each team. Within the 7 players in the team are different positions that have specified areas of the court that they are able to move in. These are the goalkeeper, who is allowed in the defensive D, and the defensive third. The goal defence is able to move in the defensive third, defensive D, and the middle of the court. The wing defence is allowed in the middle of the court and the defensive third. However, they are not allowed in the defensive D. The next position is the centre, who is allowed to move in the whole court. However, they are not allowed in either of the attacking or the defending D. The wing attack is allowed in the middle or is allowed in the attacking third. However, they are not allowed to shoot or go inside of the attacking D. They are also not allowed in the defensive third. And most of the goal attack is allowed in the middle of the court and the attacking third and the attacking D. This is one of the 2 positions that is allowed to shoot on the court. The final position is the goal shoot, who is allowed in the attacking third and the attacking D, and is the other position on the court where is allowed to shoot. If a player goes in an area they are not allowed to move into, then it is offside, and a penalty is given to the opposing team, in which they are allowed a free pass. In netball, there is a score which they give you scorecard for their own team, so each team will have a score and can tally how many goals their team has scored. There is also a timekeeper that uses a stopwatch to time games and indicates to the umpire when the time is up. The match is split into 15-minute quarters and there is a 3-minute break between the first and second quarter and the third and fourth quarter. There is also a 5-minute break between the second and third quarter. In netball, to start the match, you take a centre pass, in which the centre will step into the circle in the middle of the pitch when the umpire blows the whistle. Then the goal attack, goal defence, wing attack, and wing defence of each team will run into the middle third to receive a pass from their team's centre. The opposing centre who is not taking the pass can also mark one of the opposition's players. After each goal is scored or each time the game restarts, the team taking the centre pass alternates. So one team will take the centre pass the first time, the other, and then keep swapping, etc. There is a centre pass marker who is responsible for telling each team whose centre it is after each goal is scored or at the start of each quarter. At the start of play, the team captains toss a coin to decide who takes the first centre pass, and then it alternates after each centre pass from then on. On the centre pass, the centre has 4 seconds to pass the ball, or it is a foul towards the other team. Also, if a player takes 2 steps or more in possession of the ball, then this is called footwork, and a free pass is given to the other team. You are able to move in any direction with the ball. If you keep the foot joined on the floor, when receiving the ball, stays on the ground. When you receive the ball, the defender has to stay on the ground. However, using your other foot, you can spin and pivot. There's many things an analyst should not do. These are deliberately kick the ball, bounce the ball unless you are doing a bounce pass to a teammate. You cannot hand or roll the ball to a teammate. You cannot place your hands on the ball that is held by an opponent. You cannot use the goalpost as a support in receiving the ball from going out of the court to keep balance. You cannot throw the ball over a complete third without it being touched or caught by a player in the third. When defending, players must be at least 1 metre away from the person with the ball. You cannot outstretch your arms when defending the ball in the player's hands. You are one jump to intercept or block a shot when defending, but you cannot jump up and down in front of your opponent, and you can only raise your arms when vertically always out of play if the ball or a player touching the ball touches the ground outside the court. The line counts as part of the court. When the ball goes out, a throw is awarded to the opposite team of who threw the ball out. A throw is taken at the point in which the ball went out of the court. Any player may take this throw as long as it is in the area of the court that allowed him. However, both feet must be behind the line, and then 4 seconds to release and pass the ball. If not, and the ball is given to the opposition. The next sport I'm talking about is football. Football is a sport that consists of 2 teams of 11 players on the field. And each team is allowed a maximum of 5 subs each. In professional, you can use 3 of these subs. However, in lower levels of football or youth, you can use these subs maximum. You can use all 5. The aim is to use your body, excluding your hands or arms, to pass, keep possession, and score on the opposition's goal. There are 2 goals, one at each side of the pitch, located in the middle of the line. The goals are 7.32 metres wide and up to 2.44 metres tall, and the goalposts and crossbars are 12 centimetres wide. In professional football, goal line technology is used to show that the ball has gone over the line or has not, if the human eye can capture it. This allows you to show whether the shot really was a goal or not, so it makes the game more fair and provides reliability. Managers can set up different formations in the team, so each player and team can have different positions to the opposition. However, every team should have a goalkeeper. In lower levels of football, once a player has been subbed off, they can come back on. However, higher levels and standards of the game, you cannot come back on the field once you've been subbed off. Subs occur during stoppages of the match. The referee will blow his whistle to indicate to the players that the sub is in operation and the game will be stopped. In football, players wear football boots and shin pads as equipment to keep them safe. The team will also have a matching kit. The shin pads are plastic or rubber and protect your shins from being kicked from the opponents when they are trying to tackle you. If they do kick your shins, then the ref will blow his whistle and you will be awarded a foul and free kick where you free pass or shot to try and pass to a teammate or score. This free kick would be a direct free kick. There are 2 types of free kick, which are indirect and direct. However, if this foul occurs in the opposition's penalty box, you'll be awarded a penalty and a free shot from 12 yards out of the goal. Whereas if it's just you versus a keeper and every single other player will be outside the box and one player from the team that is awarded the foul, choose a player to take this penalty. The keeper must stay on his goal line when trying to save the shot after the referee has blown his whistle. The goalkeeper is the only player on the pitch who is allowed to use his hands to save the ball. If now a player does this, then the opposition will receive a free kick. The goalkeeper will have a different coloured kit to the rest of the team, and both teams will also have different coloured jerseys. Each football match is controlled by a referee who manages and officiates the whole game and is held by 2 linesmen, one on opposite sides of the pitch and who is also in different halves of the pitch. Linesmen show the referee if the ball has gone out of play and whose thrown it is, or whose ball would be during a goal kick, corner, or throw. A throw is when the ball goes out of play. One player is able to throw the ball over the head, making sure the ball is over the head. If not, it will be a foul throw and the throw will be awarded to the opposite team. You have to ensure both feet are kept on the floor. On the other hand, if the ball goes out of play on the ends of the pitch rather than the sides, the referee will indicate whether it is a goal kick or corner. the defending team kick gets out to play in their own half, there will be a corner where a player will kick the ball in from the corner flag to a teammate to try and head and score a goal. If the attacking team kicks the ball to play in the opposing team's half, then it is a goal kick, where everyone is outside the keeper's box and the keeper has a kick the ball to a team member. However, this ball must be stopped and on your 6-yard box. The ball must be stationary. The linesman will also look to see if a player is offside. The offside rule is if the attacking players are in behind the line of defence and the ball is passed to them in the defensive half, then the play is stopped and the foul is given to the opposite team. So attackers must stay goal side and in front of the defence unless they dribble past them, or if the ball is in front of them, they can pass it backwards to a team member. A football match is 90 minutes long and is split into 2 halves with a 5-minute break between the 2 halves. However, if the game is during a knockout stage of the cup and the 2 teams are drawing, then it will go to extra time, which is an extra 15-minute halves, and if they are still drawing, then it will go to a penalty shootout. For each goal you score in any football match, you gain 1 point for your team. To kick off a match in football, you have a free pass from the centre of the pitch to pass backwards to your own player, or the referee has to your own player once the referee has blown the whistle. It is determined whose kick-off it is for a toss of a coin. Kick-off occurs at the start of a match after a goal has been scored, at the start of the second match, and the second half, and the start of each half in the extra time, if that's applicable. Whoever takes kick-off alternates each half. However, in football, if a team scores a goal, the opposite team will have the kick-off at the restart. During kick-off, every player must be in their own half, and each team swaps sides during half-time. The ball also must be stationary, and the ref will blow his whistle to indicate you to kick off. Whichever team scores the most goals in the football match are the winners. If an outfield player touches the ball with his hands, then the opposition will be awarded an indirect free kick, in which they have to pass to a teammate and not shoot from the opportunity. If a player commits a deliberate or violent offence, they can be awarded a yellow or red card. If a player is awarded 2 yellow cards or a red card, they will be sent off the pitch, and you're not allowed to spot for another player, so the team will be determined, and the individual player will also suffer a 1-match suspension, but they cannot play in the next match. You are not allowed to wear any jewellery during any of the sports, either netball or football. If a player has been fouled, and they're in an attacking position, the referee can play advantage if the player keeps possession of the ball and they're in an attacking opportunity. However, if they lose the ball within 0 to 5 seconds, the referee can call the offence back